Hello everyone, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to not allow sites to use the V8 optimizer on Opera GX. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings, and I prefer using the shortcut, which is alternate plus P. When you use the alternate and the P keys to bring it to the settings, and then you scroll all the way down until you see security. Here it is. And then you click on it. And next you're going to do is look at other secure connections. Then you see manage 48 V8 security. Sorry about that. You see manage V8 security, so we click on it so you can get additional options on what to manage your V8. Now, V8 is Opera's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine that is used to improve site performance. So we don't want to allow sites to use it, so you click on this. So once you selected this, note that to reduce the performance, but at the same time to make V8 more resistant to attacks. So it's as simple as that. That is how to not allow sites to use V8 optimizer. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.